Hey everybody, I'm Michael,
No, Oscar.
and we're going to take you on a journey as we navigate the seas of reliability and increasing your uptime.
Just remember, AI is a powerful compass, but you still need an experienced navigator.
For the people who haven't crossed paths on the water with AssetWatch yet, why don't you tell us a little bit about what you do?
Yeah, well, AssetWatch, we help maintenance reliability teams navigate their best maintenance practices.
What makes charting a course with AssetWatch so desirable?
Really combining true power of the AI and the experienced reliability engineer, the condition monitoring engineers we call here at AssetWatch, is really going to be the biggest key to being successful. Somebody that can make things actionable.
What does the forecast look like in condition monitoring in industry?
I think companies are really investing in the technology. The struggle is now is what technology to invest in. You can't just put a sensor on everything and fix all your problems. You have to be able to be thoughtful. Which applications are going to drive the most value? It's the most cost effective. But really, what's the easiest application that drives focus on actually achievable outcomes?
What is the most underrated condition monitoring technology in your opinion?
So at AssetWatch, we combine an online condition monitor through vibration, temperature, as well as including oil analysis on the same dashboard. So the data is integrated, get a more holistic picture of not only the mechanical health, but what's the lubricant health. Not that one is better than the other, one is more underrated, but combining both of them really help you navigate to make decisions at the right time.
What is one KPI that every condition monitoring program should track?
Biggest one I think that is going to be able to tell if you're successful is going to be your mean time to resolution. Not everything can be corrected today or tomorrow or next week, but you can monitor what your average mean time to resolution is.
So what's the biggest mistake a company makes when launching a condition monitoring program?
At AssetWatch, we're really easy to deploy and we're even easier to expand on. Try not to start too big and then sort of drown in the data, where you can start at a smaller scale, start measuring KPIs and then expand, continue from there as you see success. Visit AssetWatch.com, get to know us a little bit, schedule a demo, and we'd be happy to help you guys navigate your reliability program more successfully.